So this is the mobile application interface. So once you open, you'll have this interface. So you can either register or log in. And because I have my account set up, I will not register. I will quickly log in. So when you log in, you get that interface where you put your email address or username and password. Then you will also check. We have got the send the SMS, the email, or the authenticator app. This is where what I mentioned. It helps them. It helps the security level. So that now once I log in, I will just do that. Once I log in, I have to select where do I want them to send me the verification code. I can choose email or I can choose SMS. I'm going to choose SMS and send token. And so they'll send the token. We wait for a few minutes. They send the token. Once this token comes, you log in. Now, we have successfully logged in. The interface is as simple as this. We have the welcome back and your name. That's my name. Then underneath, we have got your investment. The money that you have invested will show up there. Then you have got three buttons. You can top up your account. You can withdraw your money, or you can transfer your money. Remember, we mentioned a couple of accounts: the USSD account and the Kenyan shillings account. So you can decide where you want to transfer your money from one account to another. Then down here, we have got my investments. Remember the account that I mentioned. So you can see we have got the Etica Money Market Fund in Kenyan shillings, then the Etica Money Market Fund in USD. So you can invest in any of them. They will also show you the annualized daily yield, then the effective yield in percentage form, in a percentage format. Then you have got top up or withdraw for each of them. Then at the end of the platform, we have got the activity, how you have been depositing or how you have been withdrawing. So this interface is as simple as that, and it will help you just maneuver through the investment process seamlessly and on your own. You will not need someone to take you through and help you invest, but something that you do on your own.